prices as high as we can.
They wrote their signs and set up to sell.
Cookies, cupcakes.
The kids started to yell. A girl walked by.
How much for each one?
$300 total,
Said Ben, having fun. But $300 was way more than she could afford. As a matter of fact, not one person was on board.
Those prices are too high.
Their customers agreed.
The kids realized lower prices were needed indeed. After hours of trying, not one goodie had sold. The kids changed their prices. Standing around was getting old. Penny suggested a penny each, feeling rather bored. She liked that it's the same as her name and a price everyone could afford. The kids grabbed their markers and turned the signs to the other side. On it they wrote 1 penny each and hollered with pride. The customers came swarming, buying everything they had. Some bought 5, 10, 20 at a time. Seems the price wasn't so bad. The bake sale was a success. They were completely sold out. There were no goodies left. They gave a big shout. But as they counted their cash from their long day's events, they realized they'd made only 95 cents.
That's not good,
Said Penny.
I think our price was too low. Let's ask Walter what to do. He'll definitely know.
They ran to the store, hoping Walter was still there.
Walter!